Hello friends, we are talking about letter writing once again. We have already discussed the art of writing letters, how to write different parts of letters. I'm Dr. Satyapal, Associate Professor of English, Government National PG College, Sirsa, and today we shall discuss how to practically finish a letter. The first thing that I want to discuss is that the letter we are going to write today is the topic is write a letter to the principal of a school requesting him to consider you for the vacant post of a science teacher in your school. I gave you this letter in the form of a homework and you have already worked on it. So how to write it perfectly? Let's see. First of all, we have to write the address of the sender, and we have to write it on the left hand extreme. I have written here Rashmi Kohli, house number so and so, house number 10, Shiv Colony, Faridabad. This is a complete address. If you notice, then there is no comma or full stop at the end of line, neither of the lines. Not in the first line, second, third, or fourth. No comma, no full stop. Then we shall write to the principal, DAV Public School, Hisar. Any school you can name, should be a school and should look like a school, name of a place in the end. After this, we usually write date. But before writing date, I'm once again inviting your attention towards the fact that we do not put a comma or a full stop at the end of the line, neither after the sender's address nor the receiver's address. See, no full stop, no comma has been used, and every line is on the left hand extreme. If you put a line here, if you mark a line here, then you will find that everything comes in one line on left hand extreme. Then there is date 24th of April 2020. No full stop or comma, and the method of writing date I have already explained in the lecture on how to write a letter. So this is the first part of the letter. Then after this we use subject application for the post of a science teacher. This is in the form of a heading, so beginning with capital A and ending with a full stop. Subject, and usually in typed form we keep it in bold letters. After this, salutation, sir or madam, whatever is relevant. After this, the body of the letter. And in formal letters, what do? We do not write anything unnecessary. We are very formal, and straight away we come to the topic with reference to the advertisement published in the Times of India, dated 21st April 2020. Here you have to keep in mind on what date you are writing. The date of advertisement should be before that. I offer my services for the post mentioned above. See, minimum words have been used. You need not write for the post of a science teacher once again. You have to just mention, because this has been written above in the subject line. So you just need to write post mentioned above. I fulfill the essential qualifications required for the post and have a desired experience. Now, in two sentences, you complete everything, that you fulfill the essential qualifications prescribed for the said post, and I also have a experience, have an experience. So this is one idea which you have completed. Now, apart from this, what information you want to give that differs from this information given in this first paragraph? So we will change paragraph, and this is the second paragraph. I enclose my full biodata listing details of my educational qualifications and experience. I can come for an interview on short notice. I look forward to work for your esteemed institution. These are some kind words. And in the second paragraph, in the first paragraph, we have referred to where from I came to know that there is a vacant post, and I fulfill the qualifications. And in the second paragraph, what I am going to do in future, we have explained. After this, the bottom line, waiting for a favorable reply. You can say looking forward to your positive response, or you can say with warm regards, or you can say waiting for a favorable reply. So here the body of the letter comes to an end, and after this we write subscription. yours faithfully. It's very important. Here you cannot write yours truly, because usually we use yours truly for friends, not for some authority who is whose we can be a subordinate in future, or whose subordinate we are already. So yours faithfully, because an organization expects faithfulness from its employees. So we will write yours faithfully. After this, there is signature. See, I have tried to show it in handwriting, Rashmi Kohli, and in the brackets, in under the signature, we have given the name of the applicant. After this, as I told you in my lecture on letter writing, enclosures. Since there are two enclosures, we have put it in plural, ENCLS. You can write full word, enclosures. Biodata, I have enclosed, and attested photocopies of 10th, 12th, BSc, B.Ed, MSc certificates. Now you have to keep in mind for what purpose you are writing an application. If you are writing this application for a job, then what certificates you will be needing, and all those certificates that you will be needing, you must attach here: 10th, 12th, and BSc. After that, this is MSc. Not necessary though, because a school teacher needs qualification BSc plus B.Ed. So B.Ed and BSc, up to B.Ed, you must include in the list of certificates attached. But since the here I have attached the certificates for MSc also, since I have this qualification, so I will attach it. So this is, here we complete our application. Up to this point, everything should come on the first page. We will attach, I have not given anything, who I am, or what is my age, or what are my contact numbers, or what are my hobbies, what are my strengths and weaknesses. That everything like this we shall write in the biodata, and biodata comes on the next page.